I like it when they make that sound. It's so cute. There's my dinner. So that's some kind of healthy rice. It look, they've been fed. Yeah, I love mountains. Hey, good morning. How you guys doing? I thought I'm just going to quickly sit here, chat with you guys while I have my breakfast. I hope you guys are doing so well. I don't even know how this vlog is going to turn out to be, or I might just cut it into different sessions. So for today is Saturday, and I am going to a place called Neo. There's an amazing view up there that we're going to, so I was hoping to hike there, but we're going to drive to the actual place, take cable car, go up the mountain, probably hike up there. So I was thinking of just going. Then my husband was like, it's okay, you've got little kids, you don't want them to be too tired. So maybe they after we've walked up there, the kids might be tired. And yeah, so yesterday I was completely knocked out. I have all day in bed yesterday. No, not all day, like all morning in bed. Then towards in the evening time, I went to the pool to have a little dip. It was so busy in the pool. Fantastic. So I'm going to be showing you what we'll be doing today, showing you my view and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy watching. So guys, I am on the chairlift now. So we're going up. I'll show you where we go. I don't know if you can see up the mountain over there, but this chairlift is long. I'm going to be here for a while. So I'm going to show you my viewpoint. So I'm dangling with my daughter here, shouting at the friend just down there. So yeah, this is amazing. You can see this is behind me. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely, yeah. Look how we just came off. That was the cable car we just came off, this point there. And we're going up. Oh, these are the farm area here. This is so cute. There's some goatee here. Oh, that's nice. And that's another point. Oh, there's some cows and things there. And there's something there. Oh, that's really cool. I could just hear the cows.
I see cows.
Can you?
Look.
Oh, yeah, they're on top of the mountain there. You could hear the rhythm. Kyun, kyun, kyun. It's a bit chilly, isn't it? Because we're going up. Oh, yeah, I'll show you the cow of the cows. The bush, that tree. Oh, there's a law.
Oh my.
Oh, they're so cute. Yeah. So guys, we just came off the chairlift. Look at that view. I'll show you. It's absolutely incredible view. So I'm just going to go up and go check the point, the view. Ah, there's a rope here. I know I can't go far. I use the rope. Oh, this place is gorgeous. It's so high. We're so high up. Ah, yeah. Definitely use the rope to pull myself. Oh, that's it. Still going up. Ah, this is steep, huh? Wow. So, oh my God, this is it. We're here. Yeah. We're going to go hang off. We're going to go hang off that way. This is scary. Look. This is absolutely. This is absolutely. Look. We really. Honestly, we really high up. It's incredible. I'm just waiting for this. Yeah. There's a glass here, like literally. I have to do it. Oh my God, this is not my. I made it. Yeah. That's the top of this place. It's just incredible. So I'm just coming down, and we're going. I'm hiking up. So basically, we're hiking up. You see where those people are over there. So we're going to walk up there and see what's up, what is up there. That viewpoint, my goodness, it's really scary. You could see Mont Blanc. I think it's the highest point, the highest mountain in Europe. But I think you can see it when you even up above. So that's where I'm going to hike to now. Oh my god. There's a lot of people hiking here. Even some kids are doing it. So we see kids doing it, family doing it. So I'm sure we can. It's so beautiful. I just love all these wild flowers. So can you see? Really is nice.
Creepy there.
So guys, we're just coming down the chairlift. You see the mountain, Mont Blanc, is absolutely beautiful. When we went up, it's absolutely beautiful. These cows, they're so cute.
They're doing their daily music.
They're so cute. They are, as if we're going to. I like it when they make that sound.
They're doing daily music.
Yeah, they're so cute. Hello, moo. Ah, we're going to dangle in front of the cow. Moo.
Oh, mommy, look at the ginormous ones.
Oh my goodness, that would yum yum yum. Anyway, that's hilarious. Look at the cow back there. It's so cute.
Good music.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, we're just going back. So basically, this is a really long chairlift. It goes really long. We're going to dangle here. I think it stopped. No, it's going to go really slow now.
If we were dangling, I wanted to dangle on the cows.
So it's not. We're not dangling. So it's just going to. I know it would have been awesome. Anyway, I'll chat with you. I can't wait to go to the restaurants there. Hopefully get. Where's the restaurants there? Hopefully get. What do I need? I think I'm going to go full out. I'm just going to have hot chocolate with cream, and if they have marshmallow, even that would be great. Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? I just left my kids somewhere, so they're with their father. And I think I'm just going to sit down here for some peace and quiet and just listen to the wave. I'll show you. So that's my view. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. I hope you guys are well. So sorry. Lately, I have a lot of content to edit. I have a lot of vlog videos to edit. It's just like I haven't been able to edit anything. It's ridiculous. I've been so busy, and very soon we're going to be going to England, and I am still going to be busy when I get to England because I have my 40th birthday party that I want to. My 40th. That I'm still planning. So it's just like a garden party for I just realized that I invited a lot of people. Anyway, we knew. Anyway, it's so beautiful. I'm very mindful to do a content here, but my daughter is not playing ball with me this morning to help me with my camera. I think I'm going to go lure her to kind of make her come because this side of the beach is not too busy. So I could honestly just do a quick content that I have in mind for my Instagram. So I hope you guys are okay. Let's go beg her. Let's go beg her if she's coming. Let's go. I found this amazing tree. It's beautiful. Look at the color against the sky. It's absolutely fantastic. I love it. Whenever I come to this beach, we intend to come early just to be under this tree, and it just saved me from taking umbrellas and taking umbrella if I can say the word. I am so you know when you're so relaxed, it's so, yeah, I'm just like that at the moment. But it's such a gorgeous beach. The weather here today is beautiful. You could just see the mountains, the lake beach. Can you see the mountains everywhere? It's absolutely beautiful. But over there, all those kind of boats, even there, you could still be touching the ground. Like, it's not that deep. You go a little bit out before. I haven't even been to the deep end of this place. I have not, because it's just really shallow, and I like it here because this shallow place is a bit on a colder side, so this is the reason why I love it. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. I'm just going to go play like volleyball, because here you can see behind there's a lot of volleyball. There's a net, there's some net over there. Oh, did I not flick the camera? So behind me they have some nets, ping pong, playground, some restaurants over there. So this place is really nice, and really nice family beach. I'm just going to go for ice cream. I've been trying to nap, or to no avail. You know, when you have little kids that just constantly want to play. So we're going to go for ice cream. Oh my god, there's a lot of queue.
Yeah, we need to be here.
There's a lot of queue here. I don't know. I don't know if these people are waiting. I think so. Yeah. Everything is scattered. Yeah.
Maybe they're all waiting for their orders.
Yeah. Probably we just need to ask before we start jumping the queue.
Mommy, I never.
What do you want?
That
one there?
No, I've seen coconut. Coconut is quite vibe. They got pistachio.
Yeah.
Magnum?
So we just finished from the beach, so we're going home, but we just stopped at this quick supermarket just to pick one or two things. Wow, this is a big one, isn't it? I don't think there's basket. I think probably we need to take. Have you seen? Yeah. I think it's just a question of taking one of these things, putting €1. Hi guys, so we just finished from the beach and the supermarket. We just on our way. I just had a quick shower, no makeup. So as you can see, it is gorgeous here. So we're just going for a quick dinner out. Yeah, just something really quick. And I'm wearing this beautiful green dress. I might give you guys a outfit check later, but we're just like kind of rushing because it's nearly 7 o'clock. I don't want it to be too late for my kids. Anyway, I will show you guys what I will be eating and all that. So see you. Here's my dinner. So that's some kind of healthy rice. It looks so, minus the bread. So I just plunked this one in, and the fish is still up here, really nice. And this is the other meal that we order. So that's some burger and everything. Beautiful. Yeah. Bon appetit. Oh, I've got my little scarf here. How are you guys doing? So I'm just starting another vlog like this. Anyway, I'm just chilling on this deck in this terrace place, and I'll just show you my view. The most beautiful stunning view here. I'm enjoying. Is the first compartment, please? And yeah, so this place is absolutely stunning. So we're going to go for a mini hike. So far, so good. The weather. This is a perfect weather for hike, though. The minimum thing we can do is to walk to that waterfall and
The
walk
minimum
back.
thing we can do is what we're doing.
No.
When it's hot, it's not too hot.
It's too hot, isn't it, Reva?
Let's go to Ivoria's then. You people really,
I
honestly.
haven't bought a ticket, did we?
Our drink is coming. And it's just a kids one or no?
I did say kids ones, but I don't know which one's the kids ones.
Yeah, they're all the
I think
same.
they're probably all the same.
It's the same.
The same. All right. Actually, we're just like in this place with full of goats. My kids love coming this place the same year every year. All these goats are so cheeky. They're so cheeky. Once they see you with this brown bag with food, they just snatch a bag from my son and took the bag and tear the thingy. So they're here, look. Yeah, they've been fed.
Yeah.
They're really cheeky. I think I'm so scared of the horn though.
Yeah, one of them poked me, but it
Did
didn't
they?
hurt him.
Oh gosh. Oh, that one is very patient. You see this one? This one is cheeky. It's cheeky.
That one.
Going to pepper soup. Pepper soup is calling your name. Pepper soup. This one is very cheeky. This one will go Nigeria suya. This one will be suya. So cute. I love like little streams like this to play. It's really nice. They're just throwing stone and yeah. So basically that's it. It's just like so cute. Yeah, they're finding stones, different stones. I actually quite like the sun is out. I'll just sit, I'll just talk somewhere. The reason why I'm tying my hair like this is because the front of my hair is so rough. Like I'm just trying to manage this thing because very soon I'll be going home, so I'll just take it off. I don't want to take it off now because I don't have a lot of my hair things, you know, like the product to wash it. So I'm just like sort of managing it before.
Mommy, we're
We could go.
skipping rocks.
Yeah? Is that helping you to skip the rocks? Cool. It's just, I don't even know how to explain. I don't even know if the camera is actually picturing it properly, but it's just like something that you can see on a postcard. If you see, yeah, I love mountain. The Alps is gorgeous. Hi guys, how you guys doing? Don't mind me, okay? I have been sort of hiking, like I couldn't even vlog when I was doing that. So basically I just came for evening walk. I went to the shop because tomorrow I'm leaving for England. I've spent a month in the Alps in France, so finally tomorrow just what is the youth? It's like a teenager. So basically we're leaving tomorrow. I've packed the bag. I thought I'm just going to come here by the river and just enjoy the sound of this river because it's like, honestly, I love it. It's like so beautiful. I enjoy walking around, so I just had a long walk. Then I thought just stop here and take everything in. So basically this is the reason why I thought let me just come for a long walk, enjoy the sound of this flowing water. Honestly speaking, I know if I have a house close to this river, the noise, I think I will enjoy it pretty so much. It's so beautiful. It's really a nice spot. And this is the river. This river actually flows to Lake Geneva, by the way. So really good. So basically, yeah, it's our last day. Coming again next summer, hopefully, inshallah. In the Alps, the weather has been fabulous. Kids has had a good summer holiday, playing, doing a lot. When I say lot, a lot of activities like hiking, bike cycling, you just name it. Going to the lake, the beachside lake, open swimming pool, in the swimming pool, went to another resort. Like we've been everywhere this summer. So basically, yeah, next holiday now, we're hoping for, I don't know, winter holiday or so. Our summer holiday is finished. Really nice spot. This Ipan is so nice. I can't get over this place. It's so organic, it's so rich, it's like unspoilt. And I love it when kids just like park all on the river, like they walk by the river, hop from one stone to another. It's just like so nice. Voila, voila. Let me stand up. Ooh, I did some shopping. So, recently bought this water bottle here. I really love it. It's really nice water bottle. Yeah, I did some shopping from a shop here for a friend because my friend has been wonderful.